Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you getting irritated by constant notifications sent by TikTok and want to mute them all? Well, don't worry. Online Help Guide is here to help you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute TikTok notifications. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on three horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen, also known as hamburger menu drawer. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy page, tap on Notifications. In Notification page, tap on In-App Notifications. There you will see all the options have toggle bar on. Tap on it to turn it off. So that is how you mute TikTok notifications. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.